Dreamy. Taste.
Hey friends! Today we are drawing a fishbowl. Yippee! Let's get started! We will start by drawing a bowl. For that, we will start by drawing a curved line like this. Now, we will draw water in the bowl. Draw some plants. Time to draw fishes in our bowl. First, fish. Our second fish. At last, we will draw some bubbles. First, we will color a fish orange and pink. Now we will color the second fish yellow and red. Color the bubbles dark blue. Now, we will color the plants with different green colors. Next, we will color the bowl's outline with light blue. Time to color the sand in the bowl light brown. At last, we will color the water blue. done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.